Next Wave 10.1-inch pendant is a really great addition to any of the Next Wave Shark CNC machines. The new pendant makes the workflow much more efficient, and it makes it much easier to control the machine. In this very brief video, I'm going to show you 4 very inexpensive upgrades that will help protect the pendant and make it much easier to use. The woodshop's not really known to be a really delicate work environment, so the first upgrade is a glass screen protector that fits over the front screen of the pendant. I found a screen protector on Amazon, and it fits perfectly over the screen of the pendant, and you get 2 for a little over $6, and they are glass, so they'll help protect the screen from scratches or any kind of impact damage. Now, on the upper left side of the pendant, you notice there are 2 USB ports. This is where you plug your thumb drive into the pendant that contain the tap files. The problem is, when you're standing in front of the pendant, it can be sometimes difficult to reach around and try to get your thumb drive into one of the ports. Now, the solution I found is a USB extender, and this particular extender has a right angle plug on one of the sides. Now, with the extender installed, you see it's much easier to plug the USB drive in now. Another advantage is it's going to help prevent wearing out the USB port by constantly plugging a thumb drive in and out of the pendant. You're only going to be plugging it into the end of the extension. Now, as you can see, the other USB port is still open. This was a concern for me because the woodshop's a dusty environment. I wanted to prevent getting any kind of dust or debris in the USB port. Once again, I turned to Amazon and I found these little dust plugs made for USB ports. They fit in there and they prevent any debris or dust from getting into the port. And here's what the port looks like with the USB plug in there. Now, the last upgrade I have to share with you is a simple stylus that helps get more accurate results when touching the pendant. Again, I found these styluses on Amazon, and you can get 10 of them for like $5. The stylus makes it really easy to control the machine. Another advantage of using the stylus is that I, like many people with CNC machines, like to use blue tape and super glue to hold down my projects. And sometimes you get the super glue on your fingers. I don't want to be touching my screen of the pendant. The stylus helps to keep my fingers off the screen. So there you go. Once again, 4 simple and inexpensive upgrades to help make the pendant a lot easier to use and will protect it. Thanks for watching.